Welcome to Telugu One Academy. In today's AP Geography, we're going to look into the district profile of Ananthapur. So this is the one of the Rayalaseema district, one of the 4 Rayalaseema districts. So this is Ananthapur also belongs to the Rayalaseema district. Let's look into the Ananthapur's district profile, etymology, other major resources, crops and minerals and other details. So actually, if we look into the name of the Ananthapur, how it got its name, the meaning of Ananthapur is that it's an endless ocean. It means that Ananthasagaram. So Ananthapur got its name from Ananthasagaram, a big tank. There's a big tank which was used to be called as Ananthasagaram. That means that endless ocean. On its base, it got the name Ananthapuramu. The villages of Ananthasagaram and Bukkaraya Samudram were constructed by Anantharas Chikkavadeva, the minister of Bukka, a Vijayanagara ruler. So actually, the Vijayanagara rulers, Bukkaraya, we can say Bukkaraya one. So his minister have constructed two tanks. One is Ananthasagara and Bukkaraya Samudram. On basing on these tanks, they are large, huge tanks. Like we can say a lake, a kind of lakes. So on basing that, Ananthapur got its name. So it says that it was ruled by Vijayanagara empires or rulers. Ananthapur was under rulers of Vijayanagara empire. Some authorities have said that the Ananthasagaram was named after Bukka's queen, while some contend that it must have been known after Anantharasa Chikkavadeva himself, as Bukka had no queen by that name. So there is even a controversy how it got its name. So we need not to go into this controversy, just we should know how Ananthapuram got its name. Ananthapur district was formed in the year 1882, having been separated from Bellary district. Actually, it was under erstwhile Karnataka. Earlier, Ananthapur, it's a erstwhile in Karnataka district, in Karnataka state, that too in the Bellary district. But in 1882, it was carved out of Bellary district of Karnataka and made into a new district, that is Ananthapuram district. The district was situated, it is situated actually, what are coordinates? Coordinates of Ananthapur district are 76 degrees 47 minutes, 78 degrees 26 minutes east of the eastern longitudes and 13 degrees 41 minutes and 15 degrees 14 minutes north of the northern longitude. So they are the coordinates. So what are the boundaries of this district? So which states or which district bound this particular Ananthapur district? So in the northern boundary, in the north it is bounded by Kurnool district, again southeast by Chittoor district, east by YSR Kadapa district and west and southwest by Karnataka. So it is bound by 3 districts of Andhra Pradesh and 1 state, that is Karnataka. It is the boundary of Andhra and Karnataka. The district has a population of 40,83,315 as per 2011 census, which accounts for 4.82% of the total population of the state with 12.16% decadal growth rate. So again, district was formed in the year 1882, having been separated from Bellary district. Next, later on, it was expanded with the addition of revenue mandals of Kadiri, Mudiguba, Nallamada, NP Kunta, Talupula, Nalla Cheruvu, Odi Cheruvu, Tanakal, Amadagur and Gandlapenta. So previously they are of Kadiri Taluka from Kadapa district. In 1910 again, so these all regions were carved out of Kadapa and added to the Ananthapur district. So during the year 1956, the present revenue mandals of Raidurg, D. Hirihal, Kanekal, Bommanhal and Gummagatta of Bellary district were added to the Ananthapur district. Again in 1956 at the formation of Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra state was formed in 1953, but in 1956 Andhra Pradesh was formed. So at that time some parts of Karnataka, especially exactly Bellary district, have been taken out, carved out from Bellary district and were added to Ananthapur district. The district is roughly oblong in shape. Now coming to the shape of the district, it's roughly oblong, we can say a diagonal. So the longer side is running north to south with portion of Chitradurga district of Karnataka state intruding it from west between Kundurupi and Amarapuram mandalams. This is the exactly physical position of the state, how it does look. So the district may be divided into three natural divisions. How many? If you take the physiology of the district, it can be divided into three natural divisions. They are: one, northern mandal of Raidurg, the Kanekal, Belugappa, Guti, Guntakal, Vajrakarur, Urvakonda, Vidapankal, Yedigi, Tadipatri, Putlur and Yellanur containing large areas of black cotton soil. So if we divide the physiology or the physical nature of the district majorly, then it can be divided into three. The first one consists of black cotton soils. What one? Black cotton soils. So these all regions, these all northern mandal of Raidur, Kanikel, Tadipatri, these all regions have the soil based of black cotton. So another one is poor red soils. We can say red soils. So which regions come under red soils? So Kalyandur, Kambadur, Settur, Brahmasamudram, Ramagiri, Kanaganpalli, Sikepalli, Dharmavaram, Battalpalli, Tadimarri, Mudigubba, Ananthapuram, Kuder, Pamidi and Peddavadugu in the center, which are mainly made up of arid treeless. So Ananthapur is more or less dry areas. Ananthapur is a dry area. It has, that's the reason it has shrubs, small kind of shrubs which are short and thorny plants, vegetation we can see that too. And in the dry areas, there is a less cover of vegetation or green cap. So in these areas, all these areas come under arid treeless. We can see only stones or boulders and more of like all the way, hardly will get to find big trees or green cap. And it has red soil, it has red soils. These areas consist of red soils. So other one is high level land of Penugonda. High altitude of, these are the plains of Ananthapur. Now coming to the high level, that means a bit high altitude than these comparative areas. Roddam, Somandepalli, Hindupur, Lepakshi, Chilamatur, Madakasira, Rolla and Gudibandla and Agali, which connects with Mysore Plateau at higher elevation of the rest of the district. That's the reason this part of Ananthapur is bit cooler, than the other parts of the Ananthapur, because it is in the these areas are in the Mysore Plateau region. Mysore Plateau is a bit elevated land or elevated area. So in even summers also people like to visit this part of areas, because in these areas the summers are very hot, but if we go to these places, the summer is bit cooler comparatively in other places. So 1 or 2 degrees less temperatures can be seen because they are in the Mysore Plateau. So Mysore Plateau at higher elevation of the rest of the district. This part has average sandy red soils which of normal productivity. So here poor red soils, nothing can be grown, and here average sandy red soils, with normal productivity can be seen, but in average. Next, that is a physiology type of soils which we get in district of Ananthapuram, Satyasai Ananthapuram district. Next one is forest. What kind of forest we do find in this district? The forests in the district are thin and scanty. Hardly forest cover. If there is any forest area, it is very thin and scanty. Mean here and there. The Muchukota hills, about 35 kilometers in length, run from north of Gooty town up to extreme southern corner of Tadipatri and Yediki mandals. Another line of hills starts from west of Gooty mandal and run 80 kilometers, called by name Nagasamudram Hills. The Mallapakonda range begins at Dharmavaram and runs into Karnataka. So it has 3 ranges like Muchukota Hills, next one is Ediki Mandals, Muchukota Hills, another one is Nagasamudram Hills, other one is Mallapakonda Hills range. So it has 3 hill ranges, which Dharmavaram and this Mallapakonda range begins at Dharmavaram and runs into Karnataka state. So it has 3 ranges. The Penugonda range, which starts in the south of Dharmavaram through Penugonda and Hindupur, proceeds to Karnataka state. In Madakasira, the hills divide Rolla and Agali mandals into southern northern portions. There are numerous isolated peaks and rocky clusters which are devoid of any vegetation. There are many peaks, rocky clusters means a rock upon rock, we can see those kind of formations, but hardly without any vegetation or without any trees or green cover. So those were the forest ranges of Anantapur district. And now coming to the rivers, what are the drainage system or drainage pattern of this district? So coming to rivers, that is Pennar. The important river in the district is Pennar. So Pennar river is the most important rivers of this district, which mostly drains this district. It has its origin in the Nandi hills of Karnataka state, where it is called Uttara Pinakini. So Pennar has been origined in Nandi hills of Karnataka, where it is called as Uttara Pinakini. After coming to Anantapur, it is called as Pennar, and enters this district in the extreme south of Hindupur mandal and flows through Parigi, Roddam, Ramagiri, Kambaduru, Kalyanadurg and Beluguppa, Urvakonda, Varjakarur, Pamidi, Pedagur and Tadipatri mandals. Finally enters Kadapa district. It comes from Karnataka, enters Anantapur near Hindupur almost. In Karnataka, this Pennar is called as Uttara Pinakini, but in Anantapur it is called as Pennar. And after crossing all these places, after draining all these places, it enters district of Kadapa. So that is the major, Pennar is a major river of Ananthapuram district. Next one is Jayamangala, river which has its origin is Karnataka and enters district in Parigi and joins Pennar at Sangameshwaram Palli at Parigi Mandalam. Again, this is the tributary of Pennar. Jayamangala is a tributary of Pennar, which is originated in Karnataka, joins, enters Andhra Pradesh, enters in Ananthapuram district in Ananthapuram in Parigi Mandal, and joins Pennar near at Sangameshwaram Palli of Parigi Mandal itself only. So Jayamangala is a tributary of Pennar. So next one is Chitravati. Another major river of this Anantapur is Chitravati. So it is origin is in Karnataka. Again, almost all the rivers of east flowing rivers are originated in Western Ghats itself only. When coming to south, they are from Karnataka. If you go up and north from Maharashtra, So Mahabaleshwar, these all. So these are also all are western originated rivers, originated in Western Ghat and enters Bay of Bengal. So again Chitravati. This river enters a district near Kodikonda village of Chilamaturu Mandal. So it enters Andhra Pradesh and especially Ananthapur in Kodikonda village and flows north over rocky and hilly uplands of Gorantla, Puttaparthi, Bukkapatnam, Kottacheruvu, Sikepalli, Dharmavaram, Battalpalli, Tadimarri, Yelluru mandals and falls into Penna river at Gandikota in Kadapa district. So again, this river is this is also a tributary of Pennar, originated in Western Ghats, enters AP, especially Ananthapur. This Ananthapur district, in which place? In Kodikonda village, and after flowing through all these villages, especially Puttaparthi, religious place of religious land of Ananthapur, and Puttaparthi, Bukkapatnam, and enters Kadapa districts and falls into Kadapa river at Gandikota. Gandikota is in Kadapa district. It it confluences with Pennar in Gandikota of Kadapa district. Next, Vedavati or Hagari river. So again, this is also one of the important rivers of Anantapuram district. It is originated in Karnataka again and flows through Gummagatta, Brahmasamudram, Belguppa, Kanikel and D. Hirahal mandals and enters Bellary district of Karnataka state. And Bhairavani Tippa project, BT project constructed on this river. So Hagari, Vedavati is also called as Hagiri. Again, it is originated in Karnataka. So a major project which is constructed on this river is BT project, that is called Bhairavani Tippa project. It is called Bhairavani Tippa or BT project. So apart from these streams, like these are the major rivers which drain Anantapur district, and apart from this there are all other small streams. In that the important ones are like Kushavati in Chilamaturu Mandal and Swarnamukhi, Maddileru, next Pandameru, and Papagni. Pandameru, Papagni, these are the major medium sources of tanks. They are the medium irrigational sources, like medium irrigation tanks in the district. So, there is one major irrigational project in this district, that is TBPHLC and 6 medium and other irrigational projects. One major irrigational project, that is TBPHLC, that is canal, and next are 6 medium and other small irrigation projects. Small ones are like Upper Penneru, Bhairavani Tippa, Chennaraswamy, Pennar, Kumdavati, Yogi Vemana Reservoir, Peddaballi project. So this is the drainage system of Anantapur district, and these are the major and medium and minor irrigation projects of Anantapur district. That's all for today. Thank you.